Good day, my viewers. In this tutorial, I want to continue with the second question. Let's do the second question of conversion of decimal numbers to denary using the second method. So the second method that we talk about, that we use for this first one. So question 2, we have 1a 3d.2 base 16. Let's see whether this method will work. So what we have here is we have two parts. First is to deal with the decimal, the integral part, the whole number part. So it's by multiplying and addition. That's 1 times 16. So 1 times 16 will give me 16, followed by add the next digit, which is a, and a stands for 10. That's 16 plus 10. That will give me 26. The next thing is to multiply. Let's multiply by 16. 26 times 16. We have to multiply this by 16. So let's see what's that giving us. 26 times 16. That's giving us 416. Then the next thing is to add the next digit, which is 3. That's 419. And the next thing is to multiply by 16 again. Let's multiply the whole number by 16. 419 times 16. 419 419 times 16. That gives us 6704. And the next thing is to add the next digit, which is D. The next digit is D, and this stands for 13, like we know. So this times this plus 13, that will give us 6717. So, and this is the answer that we will have for the whole number part. Let's look at the decimal part. Second, the decimal part contains only 2. So we are putting 0.2. Only 2. That means it's this only 2 that will multiply. But don't forget that this method, it involves two things, both multiplication and addition. If we multiply, then we must add. And we only have one digit here. How do we, this one digit will serve us for the multiplication part. What do we now have to satisfy us for the addition part? That means we have to add 0, so that this 0 will help us in the addition part. So that means 2, the first one is 2 times the 16, which is the base. 2 times 16. So that will give me 32. Then plus the 0, that is the last digit. 32 plus 0, that will still give us 32. Now 32 is our answer here, but we are not taking 32 as the answer. As you know, we have to multiply by the place value of the last digit. This is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So, and don't forget the base. That means this is 16 raised to power minus 2. So we multiply our 32 by 16 raised to power minus 2. That's 32 times 16 raised to power minus 2. That's 32 times 1 all over 16 raised to power 2. 16 raised to the power of 2, which is 32 all over 256. Let's divide 32 by 256. 32 divided by 256. That gives us 0.125. This is the answer for our decimal part. So we now pick the integral and the decimal part and add together and get the final answer. So therefore, our final answer will be 6717.125 base 10. You can see that this is the same answer that we got when we use the usual method. And when we use this new method, we still have the same answer. That means the two methods are applicable. No matter the method I use, just arrive at the same answer. And this is the end of conversion of numbers from other bases to base.